it happened. The saw died. The bearings are shot. It's done. No more. I'm not going to waste any money. That's okay. You know why? Because it was free. It was an experiment. It worked. And I was able to get 10 logs cut from a 46cc Ryobi saw. So I'm excited about that. This white oak log won this battle. I'll get them next time. It was really tough, and probably the course of doing all these logs that I've done, milling red oak and hickory, that hickory was so hard, just pushed it to its limits. I mean, it could have had problems before I even got it. The bearings could have been on their way out or not greased properly, who knows. That's okay. I invested a little bit, spark plug, a little bit here. This will turn into some nice bulb lengths. I've got, 16-inch or so. And then there's another one down there. I'll get another 3 out of that. So just kind of pivoting, and that timing is okay. It's the fall here, and I need to move into the shop soon, and this is a good pause point. So I'm looking forward to the next adventures and finding the next saw.